Here's the entire fleet so far. I really believe that I'm done buying motorcycles. Here's a 1985 Honda 50 Gyro. It's been completely rebuilt. It just has a little bit of dust on it, as you can see, from being in winter where it's really cold out here. This is my newest bike that I bought for my son, but I honestly I don't think he's good enough to drive it, so I may give him this 2013 Zuma. And of course, here's my racing deal, which I've got to do a little bit of work on it, but that'll be coming up. Usually I haven't been making videos, and I will wait till after the first of the year to get over all the holidays and everything else. I brought over a cover. I got a Bike Bandit cover for the big Honda. This is a 2000. This bike is 2013. This one is 2010. It's almost 10 years old, but it's only got 3,300 miles on it. And it's got the weirdest deal. If you know, this is something I can ask you young people out there in the world. Okay, I bought this bike secondhand at a shop. I believe it's just one owner, but the owner did some modifications, and I want to see if anyone knows what they are, because the first time I ever rode one was yesterday. These are special grips right here, and if anyone knows what those are, and here's the other side. They're cool looking. And then I have this type of, I know these aren't stock. It says EX70 something. That's a brake lever, and it has, you can switch. I don't know what the switches do. Same for this. This is put on 4 or 5. And this is, I was really having a problem getting the bike to get going, because I'm used to this little moped right here. I'm not used to this beast rocket. And then here's another thing I'd like to ask any of you much learned friends and subscribers out there. On the original bike, this regular foot peg right here is chromed like this. Not chrome, but silver. Okay? Well, this one right here, this is the passenger foot peg. The passenger foot peg has brake lights, or excuse me, turn lights right here and right here. So you can see that they'll go on and off. I've been trying to look at different places on the internet to find out who has these, because it's clearly aftermarket. But if anyone knows anything about these pegs, what they're called, I want to see what they're worth. And then it has this fender right here with all these little lights in it. And I don't know if the license plate deal is legal, but. And then this is a Two Brothers Racing Black Series. It's a, what do they call that? A muffler. But these things are not cheap. And then this right up here, this is a light, tail light up in there. You can't even see it. So I got a really nice little manual with it that fits underneath here, and I don't think this is stock. I don't know if this is stock. This is a nice seat, and he has these I guess these are kind of hugger things that you hug your knees to it on it when you're doing 240 miles an hour. It's like this guy commented, it was great. He goes, I saved a ton of money on bike insurance by outrunning the cops. Rock on. DIO. Speed Demon.